साल कुछ करके दिखाएंगे, कुछ बन के दिखाएंगे, ये वादा है अपने आप से. You all promise yourself that in this year we will become a great, we will do great. Hello English learner, once again I'm present in front of you. How have you been? Hope to all you all fine and fantastic. My dear friends, today's video will be very special for all who want to improve English by listening. Yes, my dear friends, today I will talk about on that topic. But before that, I want to ask a question. My question is that, do you really want to speak in English? If yes, it is up to you. Don't tell me I don't want to know, but I can suggest to you. Today, the learning of English is the difference between success and failure. In this era, in this moment, 2024, English is the most important language for learning and developing our future. So my dear friends, I think English is the most usable language in this world. You can impact the world by learning English. If you know speak in English, if you know English, the entire world is yours. And if you don't know English, how excellent you are, how are good you are, you don't get as much success. My dear friends, I'm sure everyone wants to become a successful. I'm sure there is nobody in the world who does not want to success. And the success when you change your mindset, when you change your approach, when you change your behavior. So my dear friends, I want to ask each of you to start speaking, to start practicing. And my dear friends, please stop your practice mother tongue. Yes, my dears, because why I'm saying to you that you know already your mother tongue, so why you are practice mother tongue? You are already at good your mother tongue. So my dear friends, I'm not saying to you that you should forget it. We love our mother tongue, the most important language in our life, our mother tongue. But my dear friends, in professional life, mother tongue is not very useful. In professional life, English is the most important language. In personal life, mother tongue is a very special language, very needed language. So my dear friends, I'm not saying to forget them. Okay, so one question arises in my mind: how can we improve and how can we practice English? My dear friends, the main important point is we have no practice in English. मतलब कि मेरे इंग्लिश में कोई प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं है, so we cannot develop in English. If you practice a lot of English, if you practice, then everything will be easy. And English is not anything, but it is just a language. So my dear friends, how can we practice? My dear guardians, my dear family, when you go out of your home, when you go outside of your home, my dear friends, when you meet your friends, you should speak English. Please speak in English. Because why? Because when we speak English, they make our fluence. They know while speaking you make a mistake, but don't worry, please, because when you make a mistake, then you learn a new thing. Okay, so make 100 mistake, make a billion mistake, make 1,000 mistake, don't worry, mistake is a part of our life. Okay, when you mistake, you learn a new thing. It's a good job. So make a mistake, please. Okay, now I am going to the main point: how to listen. Listening, at first, listening in English. Okay, you have to listen in English. Please, while you listening something, don't use Hindi and don't translate into Hindi. Okay, what is the Hindi, what is the English of this, and what is the Hindi of this? You cannot do that. Got it? And you have to listen in English, understand in English, not in Hindi, because our brain has a file. आप जैसा जैसा फाइल ब्रेन में बनाओगे वैसे वैसे फाइल बनेगा आपका ब्रेन में, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. सो ट्रांसलेटिंग स्टॉप इंग्लिश पे ही यू शुड स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, यू शुड प्रैक्टिस इन इंग्लिश. बट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, हाउ कैन वी लिसन? The best way is listening in always English. And the most important part is this in this video. The part is, please listen same passage. Yes, my friend, you have to listen again and again same passage, not different passage, same passage, till when you become part of this that. Okay, सो तब तक आपको प्रैक्टिस करते रहना जब तक को आपको ना लग जाए कि मुझे इंग्लिश ना आया हो. ओके माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, एक ही पैसेज को आपको बार बार बारहा सुनना है माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. ओके, सो आई थिंक इट इज़ इनफ फॉर अस एंड फॉर मी. बट जाते जाते मैं आपसे बात कहने के लिए जा रहा हूँ दोस्तों. जैसा एज यू नो दैट इन 2024 के इरा में हम लोग अभी जी रहे हैं माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. कोशिश करना है कि इस इरा को हम लोग अच्छा से इस्तेमाल करें, यूज़ करें. ठीक है, साल तो चला गया माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, बट इस बार हम अपने आप को चेंज करेंगे. हम वो गलती नहीं करेंगे जो बीते हुए काल में हम कर चुके हैं माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. इस साल कुछ करके दिखाएंगे, कुछ बन के दिखाएंगे, ये वादा है अपने आप से. यू ऑल प्रॉमिस योर सेल्फ दैट इन दिस ईयर वी विल बिकम अ ग्रेट, वी विल डू ग्रेट. सो ओके, and before going, please do subscribe my channel and keep supporting my dear friends. I am waiting your support and